Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Samsung's camera screen timeout setting. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Samsung has made it impossible to change your screen timeout setting just inside your camera app. So the only way you can do it, you need to go to your store on your device and you need camera assistance app, as you can see here. So the first thing you need to do is go to your store. It's only available on your store. Go to search, type in camera assistant. There it is there, click into it, and now go ahead and install that onto your device. Once that has happened, you open up camera assistant, and now as you can see I'm inside the camera assistant. So if we scroll down here, we've got a few extra settings we can change if you want to change any of them, but let's go find out the camera timeout. So here we go, camera timeout. I've already changed it to 10 minutes. It's automatically set at 2. So you can go ahead and change your screen timeout from 1, 2, 5, or 10 minutes. And now when you use your camera app again, it won't time out until it's reached the desired time you have set in your camera assistance.